Hello dear students, welcome back to the lecture series of digital electronics. In this video, we are going to discuss how to convert a binary number into decimal number system. The base for hexadecimal number is 16 as we discussed earlier, and base for binary is equal to 2. I can represent the 16 number like 2 raised to 4. That means 2 is the base for binary number system and 4 indicate the number of bits in each group when we want to convert the binary number into hexadecimal number system. We can use 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 1 and 2 raised to 0. 4 digits to represent the given binary number into hexadecimal number system. So 2 raised to 3 is 8, 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4, 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2 and 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. So here is the code for conversion of a binary number system into hexadecimal number system. So first step to convert given hexadecimal number into binary number system is divide the given binary number into group of 4 digits or bits. First step is to divide the given binary number into group of 4 bits. Why? Because we have the base 2 and 2 to the power 4, that 4 indicate the number of bits in each groups. Okay. Second one step, convert each group to its equivalent hexadecimal number system. Clear? For example, we have one number that is 101101111011, okay, in binary number system. So first step is to divide the given number into group of 4 digits. In the last group we have only 3 digits, so we can add 10 in the left hand side of the given number. Okay, and then convert each group of binary number into equivalent hexadecimal number. So we use one code, that is 8421, to convert each group into hexadecimal number. So 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2, 4 multiplied by 0, that is 0, 8 multiplied by 1, that is 8. If we add all these number, then we get the equivalent hexadecimal number, that is 11. In the second case, if we use the same code 8421, then we get the multiplication 1 into 1, that is 1, 2 into 1, that is 2, 4 into 0, that is 0, 8 into 1, that is 8, and it is 11. In the last case, if we use the same code 8421, then we get 1 into 1, that is 1, 2 into 0, that is 0, 4 into 1, that is 4, and 8 into 0, that is 0. If we add all these numbers, then we get 5, its equivalent number. Okay. Now, as we discussed earlier, in hexadecimal number, we have different 16 values, okay, in which we have 0 to 9 numbers and A to F, that is alphabets. In A to F, A is equivalent to 10, B is equivalent to 11, C is equivalent to 12, D is equivalent to 13, E is equivalent to 14, and F is equivalent to 15. Okay, we have one number that is 11, and 11 is equivalent to B. So this one number is B. In the second case, B, and 5, it is the number in 0 to 9. So the final answer equivalent to the given binary number is equal to 5 is the first one group, second one group, that is B, and third one group, that is B, equivalent to hexadecimal number. Clear? This way we can convert the given binary number into hexadecimal number. First step, divide the given question into group of 4 digits. Then convert each group to an equivalent hexadecimal number using the code 8421. Okay, 8421. Let's take one more example. For example, the given question is 11110101110.111 is the binary number, and we want to convert this binary number into hexadecimal number. Okay, so first step, divide the given question into group of 4 bits. Okay, so in the first part we can divide the given number into group of 4 bits. We have only one bit in the last group, so we will add 3 zeros in the left hand side of the number. After point we have only 3 bits. Okay, so to convert into 4 bits we will add one more zero in the right hand side of the given number. Okay, because it is the fraction part of the given number, so we will add one zero in the right hand side of the given number. Then convert each group into equivalent hexadecimal number by using code of 8421. Okay, so if you convert the given number into 8421, then we get in the first group 8 multiplied by 1, that is 8, plus 4 multiplied by 1 is equal to 4, plus 2 multiplied by 1, that is 2, plus 0 into 1, that is 0, and is equal to number 14. In the second group we have the code 8421, then we get the final answer, that is 14. In the next group, that is 8421, that means 8 plus 2 and is equal to 10. In the last group 8421, then 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1, remaining bits are 0. So if we want to write the final answer, then first bit, that is first digit, that is 1, second digit, that is 10. We don't have value in the hexadecimal equivalent to 10, so is equivalent to one alphabet, that is A. Okay, so second one alphabet A. Third one, for 14 we have the alphabet E, so second one, that is third one digit, that is E, and after point we have again one value, that is 14, and it is equivalent to E in hexadecimal number, so point E. This one is the final answer of given question. Clear? And that is very easy. I will provide one more example to you, and you have to calculate the given binary number into hexadecimal number, and the question is 11101111.101 in binary number, and you have to calculate its equivalent hexadecimal number. Write your answer in the comment section. Thank you.